Hi, my name is Maisha, Plentiful Hair Studio, and Plentiful Hair Studio is a hair loss practice that specializes in hair loss solutions for those suffering from thinning hair and hair loss. I just had a consultation that was super enjoyable. First of all my consultations are enjoyable. But this one I wanted to talk about because she had questions that come up often during other consultations. So I figured this would be the perfect opportunity to address those questions. Number one, she was afraid that her hairpiece would be too ridiculous, too thick. And I told her the best way to combat that, of course, was to bring in inspo pictures of her hair the way she wanted it to be, the way she always wanted her hair to look. That is always going to help. We explained that you can choose the density of your hair system for most types of pieces. You can choose the density of your hair pieces. In general, hair pieces are not designed to be super thick. They're designed to duplicate natural hair growth and natural hair, so they're not super thick. So that is not something to be afraid of. Number two, she was afraid that her hairpiece would fly off. Daily wear attachments like wigs and toppers are designed to be removed every day, but extended wear attachments, even you can have an extended wear attachment with a wig, but in general extended wear attachments are designed so you don't have to worry about that. You can swim, shower, get on a roller coaster, all of those good things, because they are designed to stay attached for a minimum of 4 to 6 weeks at a time before you need any type of maintenance. Number three, she was concerned about intimacy with her hairpiece. She was afraid about it being cluckable, that her significant other would touch it, and most hair pieces are seamless. They are not bulky. They are, again, it's designed to duplicate your normal hair. It's flat. You don't have to worry about it being like heavy. No hair pieces, and unless it's a big juicy wig, but in general, non-surgical hair replacement is not heavy, and you can't detect it. And her most important question, which is the most question that I get often, especially in the DMs, is she was concerned about pricing. Now, non-surgical hair replacement is not cheap, and it's not expensive. It depends on the person, right? We have different types of payment options, of course. We take in-house financing, we do charity, we take medical insurance for those who qualify. We are a vendor for the VA, so if you are a veteran, you can get a cranial prosthesis and it will be covered. There's several methods of payments, but in general, when you come in for a custom hairpiece, in general, half is due at the time you set the appointment, and the other half is not due until your cut-in appointment. And in general, for a custom piece, that's like 90 days. So that helps people who are interested in getting that type of service. That little break will give people time. Alternatively, we do payment plans. We do so many different options for payments as far as non-surgical hair replacement. But yes, non-surgical hair replacement honestly is not cheap. And if you are looking for something that is cheap, your local salon has solutions for you. They can do powders. They can also do hair extensions. They can do things of that nature. But in general, non-surgical hair replacement is not cheap. But again, that's relative to the person. What's cheap to you might not be cheap to the next person, right? So it depends. But the best thing about a hair replacement center is we have a multitude of options. So we have scaling in prices. So we have pieces that are not as expensive, and we have super duper pieces that might be a little more pricier than other pieces. But again, that's all a part of a consultation. So the consultation can answer all of these questions that you might have and set you on the right path. But if you want to schedule a consultation, visit www.plentifulhairstudio.com or click the link in my bio and let's go from there. Thank you for watching my video.